Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes, fix quick access not working on Windows 10. First method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy the command 1 from description, and paste it into command window. Press Enter key. Copy the command 2 from description, and paste it into command window. Press Enter key. Second method is, open File Explorer. Click File. Click Change Folder and search Options. Change Open File Explorer to Quick Access. Check Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access, and also check Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access. Click Apply. OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.